In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode in the Brave browser. This feature can come in handy if you're looking to add, remove, or manage extensions in ways that go beyond the standard options. Let's dive right in and get started on this quick and easy process. First things first, we need to open Brave browser. Find the Brave browser icon on your desktop or wherever you have it installed and give it a click to launch it. Once it's up and running, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that we have Brave browser open, let's turn our attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice an icon that looks like 3 stacked lines. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu or simply the Brave menu. Click on that to open up a list of options. It's basically your gateway to the various settings and features that Brave has to offer. With the menu open, take a look through the drop-down list until you find extensions. This is the section we need to focus on. Go ahead and click on Extensions, and this will take you to the Extensions Manager page. This page is your control center for handling all sorts of extensions within Brave. Whether you're managing current ones or planning to add new ones, this is the place you'll be doing it. Now, with the Extensions Manager page in front of you, glance up towards the top right corner again. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Developer Mode. This setting is what we need to adjust in order to unlock some advanced features that can be beneficial for developers or even for enthusiastic users who like a high level of control over their browser's functionality. Flick the Developer Mode switch to the On position. By doing this, you're enabling more options for extension development, such as being able to load unpacked extensions, which can be super useful if you're working on developing new features yourself or testing out updates in a safe environment. You might also notice a few new buttons appearing, which allow you to test and manage your extensions more freely. And that's it! You've successfully enabled developer mode in the Brave browser. By turning this mode on, you open up new possibilities for managing extensions, allowing you to tailor the browser experience to better suit your needs. Remember that developer mode is designed to be used with caution, especially if you're not familiar with extension development. So if you're diving into this new territory, take your time to explore and perhaps even learn some new skills along the way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you get the most out of your Brave browser experience.